So in our next exercise we'll make a counter, which means number of objects passes in between these two LEDs. Okay, now I have connected my IR LED with pin number 8 of Arduino board. Okay, now let's take our another variable which will count the number of objects. Void setup. First of all, we will open the serial communication. Serial.begin 9600. Okay, now let's declare our IR pin as an input. Alright, let's do our void loop section. First of all, we will read the incoming bits, digital read from IR sensor, LEDs. Okay, if bits equals to 1, it will increment our variable, and also print. Okay, now let's add some delay so that we could read our variable. Upload your code. Okay, now open the serial monitor. Let's say this is our LED and it acts as our object as it passes through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so let's turn on this LED after few number of counts. Let's say 15. Okay, now if count equals to 15, then it will turn on LED, digital right, LED high, and I have connected this LED to pin number 7 of Arduino board. Let's declare this LED to output mode. Okay, that's it. Now upload your code. On the serial monitor. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 14, 15. Here's my LED is on. Okay. No, I haven't write digital right LED low, so that's why it will not turn off the LED. Okay, so that's all about it.